In 1988, Warren Buffett did something that Wall Street called boring, old-fashioned, and even stupid. He bought $1.3 billion worth of Coca-Cola stock. Fast forward to 2026, and here's the number Wall Street doesn't want you to know. Berkshire Hathaway will collect $848 million in dividends from Coke this year alone. That's not a typo. $848 million. In 1 year. From one stock. And here's the part that changes everything for you and me. Buffett's average cost was around $3.25 per share after splits. Today, that same stock pays $2.12 per share in annual dividends. So here's the question I'm going to answer in this video. What if you bought 1,000 shares of Coca-Cola today? How much would it pay you? And more importantly, can you do what Buffett did, even if you're not a billionaire? Stick around, because in about 10 minutes, I'm going to show you a number that completely changed how I think about investing. And I'm going to tell you exactly how much I make from my own Coke shares. Before we get into the numbers, let me tell you what this video is not. This is not a get-rich-quick video. This is not about day trading, options, or crypto. And this is definitely not financial advice. I'm just a guy who studied what the richest investors in the world actually do, and I'm sharing what I found. What this video is: a breakdown of one of the most successful investment strategies in modern history, the boring strategy. The strategy that made Warren Buffett a billionaire. The strategy that anyone with a few $1,000s can copy. Here's what we're gonna cover. First, the math. Exactly how much 1,000 shares of Coke pay you. Second, why this boring strategy beats almost everything else over time. Third, the one rule Buffett follows that 99% of investors ignore. And finally, the truth about whether you should do this too. Your story here. Insert brief hook. How did you first hear about this strategy? Was it a book? A video? A friend? Tell me the moment you first encountered this idea. Let's start with the number that made me buy my first shares. Alright, let's do the math. Right now, as of August 2026, Coca-Cola trades at $87.05 per share. And it pays 53 cents per share every quarter. That's $2.12 per share per year. So if you buy 1,000 shares, here's what that looks like. $530 every quarter, $2,120 per year. Wait. My title said $1,900. Why the difference? Because you're not buying at $3.25 like Buffett did. You're buying at today's price, around $87 per share. 1,000 shares cost you roughly $87,000 today. And at a 2.44% dividend yield, your $87,000 generates about $2,120 per year. But after taxes? Depending on where you live, you're looking at roughly $1,900 in your pocket. That's the number. Pause, breath. Take a sip of Coke or show a can. And here's the crazy part. That $2,120 per year? It goes up. Every single year. In February 2026, Coca-Cola raised its quarterly dividend by about 4%, from 51 cents to 53 cents per share. That marked the 64th consecutive year the company has increased its dividend. 64 years. Through recessions. Through wars. Through pandemics. Through everything. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. Sure, Buffett can do that. He's a billionaire. What about me? Fair question. Let me show you exactly why this strategy works for regular people too. Here's what separates billionaires from everyone else. Buffett bought Coke between 1988 and 1994. His total cost? $1.3 billion. Today, Berkshire Hathaway owns 400 million shares of Coca-Cola stock. That stake is now worth over $35 billion. But here's the number that blew my mind. Berkshire now receives more than 60% of its entire original investment, every single year, in dividends alone. Let me say that again. Buffett put in $1.3 billion. This year alone, he'll get back $848 million in dividends. That's 65% of his entire investment, in 1 year. And he's been collecting checks like this for decades. He hasn't sold a single share since 1994. Not during the dot-com crash. Not during 2008. Not during COVID. Not during the Ozempic panic when everyone said soda was dead. That's not investing. That's harvesting. Okay, but here's the real question. Why Coke? Why not Apple? Why not Tesla? Why not some crypto coin? Most people think investing is about picking the next Tesla or Nvidia. They want the 10x stock. The home run. Buffett doesn't play that game. He looks for one thing: companies that will still be around in 50 years. Coca-Cola has paid a dividend for over 60 years. And in 2026, they raised it for the 64th consecutive year. That makes them a dividend king, the elite club of companies that have raised dividends for 50+ years straight. In the first quarter of 2026, Coca-Cola reported, net revenues grew 12% year-over-year to $12.5 billion. Organic revenues grew 10%, driven by an 8% increase in concentrate sales and 2% growth in price. Mix. Global unit case volume grew 3%. The stock hit an all-time high. And what did Buffett do? Nothing. He just keeps collecting checks. So we've got the math. We've got the strategy. But here's the part most YouTubers won't tell you. Here's the reality check. 1,000 shares of Coke cost you about $87,000 today. That's not pocket change for most people. But here's what the gurus won't tell you. You don't need 1,000 shares. You can start with 10 shares. That's about $870. It pays you $21.20 per year. It's not life-changing money. But it's proof. Proof that the strategy works. Proof that you can do it. Proof that when you reinvest those dividends, something magical happens. Pause. Breath. Show a calculator or an investing app. This is where compounding stops being a textbook concept and starts being real. Let me show you what I mean. If you buy 10 shares today at $87.05, and you reinvest every dividend for 20 years, assuming the dividend grows at about 4% per year, which it has, on average, for decades, here's what happens. Your 10 shares become more shares. Each quarter, you get a little more. Each year, the dividend per share goes up a little more. After 20 years, your original $870 investment could be generating over $50 per year in dividends, and your shares could be worth significantly more. That's the power of dividend reinvestment. It's slow. It's boring. And it works. Now, I want to tell you about the one rule that ties all of this together. Since I first started looking at this strategy, a lot has happened. Let me give you the 2026 update. Berkshire's position. As of August 2026, Berkshire's Coke stake is worth $35.9 billion, up from $30.8 billion at the end of the first quarter. That's a $5 billion increase in just a few months. Coca-Cola's stock performance. The stock has appreciated about 29% so far in 2026, generating over $7.9 billion in gains for Berkshire. Dividend income. With the increased quarterly dividend of 53 cents per share, Berkshire will collect $848 million in dividends from Coke in 2026. The bigger picture. Berkshire's portfolio is now $355 billion, and Coca-Cola represents 9.8% of that. It's one of Berkshire's longest-running positions, held since 1988. What does this tell us? That the boring strategy isn't just historical. It's working right now. In 2026. While everyone else is chasing the next big thing. Before I let you go, if this video made you think differently about investing, hit that like button. It really helps the channel. And here's the best thing you can do right now. Watch this next video. I break down exactly how I built my dividend portfolio from zero, step by step. Link on screen, and drop a comment. How many shares of Coke would you want to own? I read every comment. Look, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy who studied what works and started doing it. The boring strategy isn't sexy. It won't make you a millionaire overnight. But it's real. It's proven. And it works. Warren Buffett didn't get rich by being smarter than everyone else. He got rich by being more patient than everyone else. In 1988, he bought a company that made sugary water. People called him crazy. They said it was old-fashioned. They said the world was changing. 38 years later, that old-fashioned company is paying him $848 million a year. So here's my challenge to you. Find one company you believe in. Buy one share. And just wait. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.